text which is highlighted in blue, headline generator free tools. This is the backlink which I have given. The backlink is simply a link which will regenerate from a website to the other website. If I click on this, it will get redirected to some other page. These are called backlinks. So in order to give backlinks, you need to have some text with you. So here is the text I have. So here is the text I have. So this is about Web 2.0 backlinks. So as this blog is concerned with 2.2 Web 2.0 backlinks, so what I can give is, so this is the backlink which you need to give in some websites. So what you can do is, so look for any keyword that suits your link. So look for any word or keyword that suits your link. So here I can see backlinks. So what I can do is highlight it, make it bold, click on link. If you want, you can enable this open in new tab so that whenever a user clicks on that particular keyword and clicks on it, they will get redirected to another tab. If you don't want them to redirect, so make this disabled and enter your link here and simply click enter. So that's it. This way you can give backlinks. Hope this video is helpful. If you find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below.